Hello everybody, my name is Carrie and I'm going to be showing you how to use the Ebsco Reading List Builder in your Canvas shell. It's an LTI, so it's pretty nifty and really easy to use, so let's try it out. So I'm going to start by selecting a module today, and I'm going to use my week 2 to build a reading list. To start, building a reading list, you're going to come over to the plus sign and clicking on that. You'll want to drop down to External Tool. External Tool. So these are all external tools. And the one that we want is called Ebsco Reading List Builder. By clicking on that, I am next. I can pick up the URL. I'm also going to rename it. Say reading list or week 2, sorry. So I can also choose to indent or not. All right, I started building a reading list right up here. I'll go ahead and use this one as my next demonstration. So this is what the search interface looks like. And if I want to look and see, or maybe I've already added some items and I want to modify what's already there, I can go to the See Current Reading List. So this is different from how your students are going to see. So we'll look at that in a moment. But here are some example items of what I was searching earlier. My key terms were housing segregation. So I could also add web resources. This has been this is especially exciting for adding in other library database resources and also outside web resources. They don't embed, they link, you'll want to keep that in mind. I could also add instructions. So if I was supposed to read maybe a specific passage or just the abstract or the introduction or the key questions summary at the end, you get the idea. I can also organize by folder. I did already create a folder down here, introductory readings. So if I wanted to say create another folder, I just give it a name and it's going to appear at the bottom. Now to add to the folder, do you see right up in here in the corner where it says folder, no folder? Here I'm going to put that one under further reading and it moves it into there. To look at that, the student will have to click on the title of the folder. Now, in order to open this, clicking on full text, the PDF version opens it in a new tab in PDF format. I also have my printing and downloading options. If I choose HTML full text, let's see, I think in introductory reading I have an example of an HTML. Aha! If I select HTML full text, it embeds directly into the page, and there's my text. So let's take a look at how the student is going to see this. Oh, well, first off, let's do a quick example of searching in the Ebsco reading list. So go to Search, Library Resources, and now here's that single search interface. This is searching all 33 of the library Ebsco databases, and I just picked up a past searching result, but of course you can type whatever key terms you'd like in there. On the left hand side, it does give you ways to refine your search, and source type seems to be especially helpful, as well as subject if you'd like to perhaps broaden or refine your search. And lots of other good things over on the left-hand side. So let's take a look at how students are going to look at this when they're searching. Now, I'm going to go back to modules and make sure that I publish this. And by going to week 2 and clicking publish, now student view. This is under modules, and I'm going to go to reading list week 2. So again, this is how my students are going to look at the readings that I give them. Okay, again, here they are organized by folder. Can click into the folder and click into the full text, and it'll open just as it did in the other view. All right. Well, that was a quick cursory view of the Ebsco Reading List Builder, and I look forward to updating this more as I find out more about this really nifty, handy tool. Thank you.